Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today it's tanks versus zombies. Whoa, check out the green zombie, the white zombie, and the orange zombie. Whoa, check out the black tank, the green tank, and the camouflage orange, pink, and purple tank, or blue. Whoa, what do you think they're gonna be able to do? What do you think the contest should be? What about jumps? All right, glow-in-the-dark invader, you go first. Ready, set, go. Whoa, that one landed perfectly. Facing the opposite direction. All right, now it's green zombie's turn. Let's go, green zombie. Whoa, green zombie went really far. Okay, green invader, it's your turn. Oh, you went just about as far as your other friend. All right, it's white zombie's turn. You ready, set, go. Whoa, white zombie went flying. All right, it's the black invader's turn. The last invader, let's see how far you can go. Ready, set, go. Whoa, that black invader went super far. Whoa, what about the red zombie? How far can you go? Oh no, you crashed right there. Wow, okay, so zombies right there and tanks. I think invaders, the tanks are the winner. It's way over there. Let's see. This is the ramp. There's the invader. There's red zombies, green zombies, white zombie, and then black invader right over there. The tanks are the winner. All right, let's collect them all. Good job, invader. You're the winner. Whoa, it's Donkey Kong. Race ace. 32 degrees. Hissy Fit, what are you doing? Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Bigfoot, you're upside down. That's so cool. It says Bigfoot. B-I-G-F-O-O-T. Bigfoot. Look at this one. It's Godzilla. Whoa, that's so cool. Hey, it's Blue Thunder. Whoa, who's that? Oh, it's El Toro Loco. Check it out, check it out. It's Mega Rex. And Radical Racer. So cool. Let's see all the monster trucks we found. We found Mega Rex, Godzilla, Radical Racer, Blue Thunder, El Toro Loco, Zombie, 32 degrees, Bigfoot, Race Ace, Donkey Kong. Park it right there, Donkey Kong. Hissy Fit. Oh, we can't forget all the other ones. We got Invader. The Black Invader, which is the winner. The glow-in-the-dark invader, red zombie, and green zombie. Wow, let's count all these monster trucks we found. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We found 16 monster trucks. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of monster trucks. And don't forget, the Black Invader was the winner today. That was pretty cool. Good job, Black Invader. We'll see you next time, friends.